Carbohydrates are one of the three main macronutrients, along with proteins and fats, that provide energy and play a critical role in maintaining overall health. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, and they can be classified into different types based on their chemical structure and how they affect health. The types of carbohydrates include simple carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and added sugars, each of which has distinct effects on the body when consumed. 1. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates, also known as simple sugars, are composed of one or two sugar units. They can be naturally occurring in foods or added during food processing. The two main types of simple carbohydrates are monosaccharides and disaccharides. A. Monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are single sugar molecules. The most common monosaccharides include glucose, fructose, and galactose. Glucose is a primary source of energy for cells and is found in various foods, while fructose is found in fruits and honey. Galactose is less common but is present in dairy products. B. Disaccharides. Disaccharides are composed of two sugar molecules. Examples of disaccharides include sucrose, glucose plus fructose, lactose, glucose plus galactose, and maltose, glucose plus glucose. Sucrose is commonly found in table sugar, while lactose is the sugar naturally present in milk and dairy products. Effects on health. Simple carbohydrates are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Consuming excessive amounts of simple sugars, especially added sugars, can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. However, natural sources of simple carbohydrates, such as fruits and dairy products, also provide essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 2. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are composed of multiple sugar molecules arranged in long chains. They can be further categorized as starches and glycogen. A. Starches. Starches are complex carbohydrates found in foods like grains, wheat, rice, oats, legumes, beans, lentils, and starchy vegetables, potatoes, corn. They consist of long chains of glucose molecules. Starches are broken down into glucose during digestion and provide a steady release of energy. B. Glycogen. Glycogen is the storage form of glucose in the body, primarily stored in the liver and muscles. It serves as a readily available source of energy when blood sugar levels are low, such as during periods of fasting or intense exercise. Effects on health. Complex carbohydrates are generally healthier choices compared to simple sugars. They provide sustained energy due to their slower digestion and gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. Whole grains, in particular, are rich in complex carbohydrates and offer additional benefits like dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. 3. Dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is a type of carbohydrate found in plant foods that the body cannot digest or absorb. It can be classified into soluble and insoluble fiber. A. Soluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract. It can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar, and promote a feeling of fullness. Foods high in soluble fiber include oats, beans, fruits, and vegetables. B. Insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water and adds bulk to stool. It aids in promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Whole grains, nuts, seeds, and the skins of fruits and vegetables are good sources of insoluble fiber. Effects on health. Dietary fiber has numerous health benefits. It supports digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Soluble fiber can help lower LDL cholesterol levels and stabilize blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for heart health and diabetes management. 4. Added sugars. Added sugars are sugars and syrups that are added to foods during processing or preparation. They include sugars from sources like table sugar, high fructose corn syrup, and honey. Added sugars are commonly found in sugary beverages, baked goods, candies, and processed foods. Effects on health. Excessive consumption of added sugars has been linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and dental cavities. These sugars provide empty calories with little to no nutritional value, and can lead to overconsumption of calories without providing essential nutrients. Balancing carbohydrate intake for health. Balancing carbohydrate intake is important for overall health. Choosing whole, minimally processed foods rich in complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber is recommended. This includes whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat, legumes, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These foods provide a steady source of energy, essential nutrients, and promote satiety. Limiting the consumption of foods and beverages high in added sugars is crucial to prevent negative health effects associated with excessive sugar intake. Reading nutrition labels and ingredient lists can help identify foods with added sugars. Opting for natural sources of sugars, such as those found in whole fruits and dairy products, can provide essential nutrients along with the sweetness. Understanding the different types of carbohydrates and their effects on health is essential for making informed dietary choices. Prioritizing complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber from whole, nutrient-rich foods while minimizing the intake of added sugars can contribute to better overall health and well-being.